my channel. Today's recipe is a super simple recipe which you can easily make during the lockdown, which is besan ke laddu. I'm sure सबने बचपन से ये खाया है. Most of us love the laddus, right? और ये especially दादी के हाथ के, नानी के हाथ के सबसे best होते हैं, जो हम लोग की सबकी memories होगी. This is the first time I've actually tried making them, so I've just recorded a video. But what I've realized is that it's very, very simple and it's damn delicious. The only things you are going to need for this particular recipe is besan, obviously, and besides that you'll need powdered sugar, you'll need some elaichi, dried fruits, and a ghee. That's it. Apart from that, you don't need anything at all. So I'm sure ये हम सबके घर पे अभी available होगा during lockdown also. So there are no very difficult ingredients which you might not easily find, right? And you can make this very quickly. I'm sure entire family is going to love it. So just check out the recipe and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started.